I'm gonna give you 3 under the radar AI crypto coins that no one's really talking about that can blast off, giving you amazing gains. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Thans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Thans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 AI crypto coins that can absolutely blast off, giving you amazing gains in this bull run that you really don't wanna miss. And look, we were one of the first, if not the first channel to talk about AI crypto being a main narrative of this bull market. As a matter of fact, we talked about it in the last bull market, telling you that this bull market, the one we are currently in right now, will be an AI narrative, and AI coins will be one of the main narratives of this bull market. And we undoubtedly made some amazing calls in the beginning of last year on which coins to get in. I mean, we called Ajax, we called Vayot, we called Fetch, we called a number of AI coins that did extremely well, sexy well. Now, while AI coins will still do very well this bull market, and I've even made videos with portfolios that you can follow, I'll leave them linked in the description down below, there are 3 AI coins that are currently flying under the radar. Meaning, these are some medium to high risk, high reward potential coins that you can still get in on. And when I say high risk, I'm not saying they're dangerous or anything like that, although all crypto is dangerous. What I'm saying is that potentially these can still give you those amazing gains that other crypto AI coins has given you. These ones can still give it to you in this bull market. So let's not waste any time, let's get started, and make sure you stay till the end of the video for the 3rd AI crypto coin, because that's quite important. Now, first up, we have one of my favorite projects, Delicium, with their AGI token or AGI token. And we called Delicium, we called AGI at 0.03 cents. It's gone up incredibly, but I still think it can go up a lot more. So with Delicium, you can actually create your AI twins, and each of them gradually develops their own unique personality and functionality through your interactions with them. But basically, this is more than just ChatGPT. You don't just ask it questions and it answers you. You can actually give it orders. In other words, saying when the price reaches this, sell and buy this. Does that make sense? It's more of a virtual assistant AI that actually acts accordingly with your requests. Now, looking at the Delicium price, we're actually hovering around the 34 cents mark here, but we called this at 3 cents. So we've already done extremely well. But as you can see, it looks like it's finding support here, and if it breaks 0.36 cents, which I believe it will, it's gonna come up and retest this 65 cents mark. And if it breaks this, which again, I think is possible, we're gonna have blue sky breakout and price discovery. So when it comes to price action, Delicium is delivering. It's actually doing quite well, keeping those gains that it's getting. And you know, everything doesn't just go up, it goes back down, goes up. But by the looks of things, Delicium is trending upwards and has a long way to go. Now, Delicium also has DMA nodes available, meaning you can actually hold one of these nodes. They're not hardware, you actually hold them in your MetaMask wallet. It's like an NFT, and what it does, it rewards you with AGI tokens, but also gives you other benefits. Now, currently, to buy a node, it's $2,700, and while that seems like a lot, this started at $1,000. So the node itself has gone up more than 2.5x, and it's gonna continue to go up. So if you want to get a node, you gotta do it now. Otherwise, it's going to be too late. It's going to be too expensive. So if you want a node, it's better to get it sooner rather than later. And if you wait too long, then you might as well not get a node and wait for the bear market and get it then if they're available. But right now, if you want a node, I think it's coming to the point of no return. If you want a node, you gotta get one. And if you do, the link is in the description down below. Okay, so next up we have Galaxis, and Galaxis uses AI to make or to create decentralized communities. So if you ever dreamt of a decentralized community, Galaxis may be your ticket or gateway there. Now you can actually discover what Galaxis is by going to their website over here, and also even start using Galaxis to see how it works for yourself. But a few things that are notable here is, number one, you have people like Sergey Nazarov, the founder of Chainlink, working with Galaxis. You have people like Nick Johnson, the founder of ENS, working with Galaxis, and even Rodri Tuza from Crossmint also working with Galaxis. And just to make things cooler, not only that, they're actually working with Polygon, because Galaxis is actually on Polygon. So if you are looking for Polygon ecosystem coins, Galaxis might be a very powerful play that you may want to get into, because I know I am. The thing is, maybe you should check it out for yourself. Now, looking at the Galaxis price action, we did have a dip here along with other cryptocurrencies in the market, and it has gone back up looking to make this support. Now let's go up to the old chart over here, and you will see the highs was 0.01631. Now sitting just under at 0.012 and looking to re-challenge this, if it can break this resistance here, 0.015, which I think it will, it's going to re-challenge these highs, and if it's broken, go into blue sky breakout and price discovery. Now just like Delicium has their DMA nodes you can hold and gain benefits, Galaxis has Galaxis engines, and you can actually get in on these pretty early, still get into these early, meaning you can actually get in right now for $1,079, which is a great risk-reward ratio, if you will. And if you want to buy a Galaxis node or a couple of nodes, make sure you check the description down below, because I do have my link so you can go to their correct site, but also you can help support me, the Crypto Factor, because I love you. Oh, and by the way, make sure you follow Galaxis on X, aka Twitter, or formerly known as Twitter. Who knows what it's going to be called tomorrow. But Galaxis XYZ, make sure you follow them here for updates. But also you will see, if you go down here and click here, you will see that their membership cards are ready for you to mint. And if you want to know more about that, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the video I'm going to release on Galaxis. Next up we have Sonorous, and make sure you pay attention to this one because it's quite important. Sonorous is AI with music, so it's trend stacking AI and music. And right now you can actually use Bitmint AI to create your own music track. So imagine you can actually go and use Sonorous and actually create your own music, your theme music, your own song using voice. You can't possibly imagine what you can do with Sonorous. It's actually extremely exciting, and the use cases are huge. As a matter of fact, it's one of my favorite projects, because if this works, it's gonna take off. Now, will it or not, who knows? Things can go wrong, but I'm betting on the things going right because I really truly believe in this project. Now, looking at the price here on the weekly, it's sitting at 0.085 cents. Let's just go to all here. And as you can see, it actually went up all the way to 0.25 cents, currently sitting very low. But I do have a feeling, and I do know, a little birdie told me that this price here, if it breaks this resistance, and why am I saying if it breaks this resistance? Because if it breaks this resistance over here, then what the little bird told me, I think is gonna come true. And it's gonna try and re-challenge these all-time highs. at 0.26. So this can be an amazing play over here. So what I would do if I was in your position is what I said earlier on. I would actually get in now. Take the risk, of course. Don't put more money than you're willing to lose, but I would get in right now and then take profits around the all-time highs or just below that. So let's say you would buy $1,000 over here. By the way, real quick, one of the reasons I'm telling you to get the SNS token and do this play and make this play is because I know on the 24th, they're getting listed in Turkey on the biggest exchange in Turkey. And while this may be a sell the news event, which is why I'm telling you to make this play and take advantage of it, I do believe that long term, this should do very well or do very good for the SNS token price. I would actually take 25% at the 0.19 mark, and then I would take another 25% at the 0.25 mark, 25 cents over here. If it breaks out, again, blue sky breakout, price discovery, that's what we're going for, but you would have made some nice profits over here, so you're pretty much in the safe zone. At least that's what I would do, the crypto factor. Do your own research, do your own thing, but I'm bringing you these projects because I believe that these are very strong plays and we can take advantage of them being under the radar right now, and you should really check them out. And by the way, if you want to know more about Sonorous, if you want to know more about SNS token, make sure you check the link in the description down below. I have an interview with one of the members of Sonorous. You don't want to miss that video. As a matter of fact, here, I'll leave the interview right here. Make sure you click and watch this video next. You do not want to miss this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.